So in this example, we are going to be determining the amount of data storage. And this problem says, Anna just purchased a new MP3 player that has 8 gigabytes of memory. Obviously, GB, that stands for gigabytes, has 8 gigabytes of memory. If the average song is 4 minutes long, approximately how many songs can she store on her MP3 player if each song is encoded at 128 kilobits per second? And we have our compression ratio chart here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to be able to determine how much storage space is 8 gigabytes of memory compared to CD quality. So we learned earlier that a CD quality music, I'm just going to write it right here, CD quality music is about 74 minutes of music. That's the highest quality of music you can have. So we're going to see the highest quality possible music that Anna can put on 8 gigabytes of memory. So we determined earlier that a CD has about 6,265,728,000 bits of data storage. The CD quality. I want to transfer this bits into bytes. We know that there's 8 bits in a byte. So if I divide this by 8, that will give me 783,216,000 bytes of storage. Of course, if I take this bytes and I change it into kilobytes, then I take this and I divide it by 1024. You can use that chart, that transfer chart from earlier. So if I divide this by 1024, this comes out to be 764,859.375 kilobytes. If I take this and I want to transfer it into megabytes, there's 1,024 megabytes in a or there's 1,024 kilobytes in a megabyte. So I divide this by 1,024, and that's 746.933 megabytes. And if we keep going, if I want to transfer this into gigabytes, which is what we have here, gigabytes of memory, transfer this into gigabytes, there's 1,024 megabytes in a gigabyte. So then I go ahead and I divide that by 1,024. That gives me 0.7294 gigabytes in a CD quality music for in a CD. So there's 0.7294 gigabytes in a CD. Now Anna's MP3 player is 8 gigabytes of memory. So if I take 0.7294 and divide that into 8 gigabytes, that means that Anna's MP3 player is 10.968 times larger than a CD. So her MP3 player has 8 gigabytes of memory. That's almost 11 times larger than a CD. Well, if there's 74 minutes on a CD, then all I have to do is multiply this by 74. And that gives me approximately 811.632 minutes of CD quality music on Anna's MP3 player. So she can get 811 or around close to 812 minutes of CD quality music on her MP3 player. However, the songs are being compressed at 128 kilobits per second. So that has a compression ratio right here of 11:1. So we take this 811.632 and we'll multiply that by 11. And that's going to come out to be approximately 8,927.952 minutes of music she can store on her MP3 player, provided that they're encoded at 128 kilobits per second. If the average song is 4 minutes long, just divide 4 into 8,927.952. And when we do that, that comes out to be approximately, and it doesn't have to be exact, but it comes out to be around 2,232 songs she'll be able to get or store on her 8 gigabyte memory MP3 player. And I think we have it.